Hey guys, this is Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to be reviewing 5 products from the brand M Caffeine. If you are a coffee lover, you would have already heard about this brand. It's been in the market for a long time now. I had tried one product from the brand last year, but I didn't like it much, so I had reviewed it on my Instagram. I didn't make a video about it because it was just a single product. The brand recently launched 4 variants of their body wash, which is my most favorite product from the brand. It's so unique from the packaging. Let's start with the packaging, with this unique packaging. I don't think any brand in the market till now had come up with a packaging like this, or even an idea like this. The best thing about this packaging is that the tub is made from real coffee grounds. Even without opening the seal, you can still smell coffee. I have 2 variants here, espresso and mocha, and I had kept both these jars in my wardrobe, and the moment I used to open my wardrobe, it used to smell like coffee. I'm not even kidding. Even if the lid is closed and if you keep this in your washroom, the whole washroom smells like coffee. It's so amazing. If you are someone who likes coffee, then you are definitely going to love this. It does not look like a body wash at all. It looks like you're having a coffee cup in your hand. The designer of this product really deserves a huge round of applause for this amazing product. I really liked it. It's so unique. I have never come across something like this, and I'm a huge fan of this variant. It smells divine. You have to try it if you love coffee and chocolate. Out of these 2 variants, the mocha variant is my most favorite, and when you are using this one, it feels like you are bathing in chocolate shake. It literally smells like yummy chocolate shake. Both of these were plastic jars. Now M Caffeine has stated on their website that they are a plastic positive company. They recycle more plastic than they tend to use. So these come in a durable plastic packaging. It's not flimsy, it's hard plastic, which is a good thing. The packaging comes in a lid like this. The lid opens like you can open this completely, and then it becomes a glass. This smells divine. Like, it has a mix of coffee and chocolate aroma. It's really like bathing in chocolate. When they launched this, I knew that I had to get it. It smells amazing. You have to open this, and there is a hole here from which the body wash comes out. The only issue with the packaging is that by pouring the body wash like this, it spreads all over the lid, and that is one con of this. I wish they would have given an elevated tip so that the product wouldn't spread on the complete lid and it would just fall onto the loofah directly. But that is the only issue with the packaging. But I don't think it's travel friendly at all because it has such a big mouth. The product can come out very easily. Otherwise, if you like coffee and chocolate, you have to get this. It's divine. Trust me on this. It lathers well. It smells divine. I've already talked about it. The packaging itself, even without opening the lid, you can smell coffee. The next variant on my wish list is cappuccino, because I already have mocha and espresso. The mocha variant is very smooth and creamy. It does not have any exfoliating particles. It's smooth and creamy, lathers well. And talking about the moisturization part, the skin tends to feel a bit dry after using these. Also, the fragrance does not last long. If they come up with a body lotion or body butter in this variant, I'll be the first person to buy it for sure. That is how much I like this. Definitely give this a try. It's amazing. Now, another variant is espresso. This variant has exfoliating particles in it. This is a bit gel-like. Even this lathers well, but it also has exfoliating beads in it, which are not very harsh, but they do the job pretty well. Talking about the smell of this one, the jar again smells exactly like the mocha variant. All the jars in this range smell like coffee. No, I didn't like this one much, but the mocha variant is hands down the best body wash I have ever used. Now next comes the M Caffeine Coffee Face Mask Naked and Raw Espresso. This is in the variant Espresso. Now they have a lot of variants in their face mask as well. Earlier it used to come only their flagship coffee face mask with cocoa in it. Right now they have the variants such as face mask with salicylic acid, AHA, BHA. This one espresso coffee face mask has AHA and BHA both, so you have to be cautious while using this. Please use a sunscreen if you are using anything that has AHA and BHA. First of all, you should not be using face masks or face washes or serums or anything that has alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid in the morning time or in the noon. You should always use these active ingredients during bedtime, and your skin is not exposed to the sun and your skin has a bit of time to recover. Talking about this face mask, comes in a glass jar with a lid like this. You have to remove this. It has a bitter smell of coffee and cocoa, not as pleasant as the espresso body wash. It helps in brightening the skin, and it really made the skin a lot more smoother and softer, and it exfoliated the skin well. Apart from that, it's just a regular face mask, nothing fancy. It will just help in brightening the skin. If that's what you're looking for, go for it. Talking about the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub Coffee Powder with Natural AHA. So this has natural alpha hydroxy acid. Okay, now as much as I liked the body wash, I hate the smell of this scalp scrub. It really smells like a strong medicine, which is unpleasant. I gave it to my cousin and even she was like, it smells so bad. So it's not just me, even she didn't like its smell. It has a bitter medicinal smell, if that's a word. It smells really bad, like as good as was the body wash. This is really yuck. I don't know how I'm going to finish this one. Talking about how this works, you get a wooden spoon with this. You have to scoop out a little amount and then exfoliate your scalp. It does help in getting rid of flaky scalp to a certain extent, but the problem with this is that if you would have used fenugreek seeds at your home, you would know that you need to wash your hair at least twice or thrice to get it completely out of your hair. The same happens with this. The granules are not too large, not too tiny, but they get stuck into your hair. No matter how much you wash it, it will come off completely only when your hair is completely dry and you comb it. If you are washing your hair, you need to do a lot of hard work to get this completely out of your hair. So that is one issue with this. Otherwise, if you don't mind that strong pungent smell, you can go for this, but I don't think I would ever repurchase this. If they change the formulation, if they change the fragrance, then I might, but otherwise I'm not going to repurchase this ever. M Caffeine recently had a buy one get one sale, so that is when I bought it, but I am not going to be using this ever again because of its pungent smell. It's unbearable, seriously. Then this was my first purchase from the brand M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. I posted a review about this body butter on my Instagram. Now, whenever I apply this body butter at home, people at my place are like, what have you applied? What is this burnt smell? Please don't apply this. when we are around you. That is the kind of things people say about the fragrance of this product, and even I found it a bit disturbing. It does not smell pleasant at all. It has a strong burnt smell, if you can imagine that. So that is how I reviewed it. I didn't find the smell to be great, and fragrance is very subjective. What I like, you might not like, and whatever you might like or you might find pleasant, I might not. So I posted a review about it, talking about the burnt smell of this, and there's this girl who commented saying that no, it smells like chocolate, I have this and it smells divine. And I was like, good for you. Smell is very subjective, and I'm stating it again. They might have changed the formulation, they might have changed the fragrance, because I bought it a year ago. So they might have changed the fragrance, so please try it yourself. But from a lot of bloggers and even people around me, I have heard that it does not smell good. And that's what I'm sharing with you guys. Because even the formulation, when you apply it, it sits on the top of the skin. It does not get absorbed into the skin. It's like an oily film onto the skin. You don't want anything sticky sitting there on your skin for the whole day. So I don't think I'll recommend you to buy this. But if you want to go ahead and try it, please do that. But from my experience, the fragrance, it has a burnt smell which is not pleasant to have. As you can see here, even after trying to massage it, there is this shiny oily film. And as a matter of fact, even Shreya Jain had reviewed it, and even she talked about how bad this product smells. So if you find this fragrance pleasant, good, no issues there. You can continue using it, repurchase it, recommend it to people. I'm just sharing my experience that I didn't like it. People around me were also complaining that what is this, what have you applied, that's bad, it really smells bad. And you can see it here, right here, that even after massaging it for a couple of minutes, it's that shiny oily film onto your skin. It does not get absorbed, it's sticky. I hope they have changed the formulation by now. If they have, well and good, but if they have not, I am not going to repurchase this. So out of all the products that I have, these were definitely a miss. The scalp scrub, the Choco Body Butter. I am trying to use this and finish this off by using it in my nail paint swatches, which I post on my Instagram. What happens is that when you click a picture, if you apply this on the fingers, it gives that shiny effect to the fingers, and they look much more aesthetic in the nail paint swatches. So that's how I'm trying to use it. Otherwise, in summers and in Indian summers, I'm never going to recommend you to buy this, because it's very oily and sticky, and that's not something you would like to bear. So my only favorite product from this brand till now is their amazing body wash that they recently launched. The packaging, the formulation, the fragrance, everything is divine. You must give it a try if you love coffee and chocolate. The whole idea behind this brand is that caffeine is really good for your skin and hair, plus the amazing aroma of coffee helps in relaxing your mind, and it's a pleasant experience. So that's it. The face mask is okayish. I didn't like it much, I didn't dislike it much. So You can give it a try. Give this a shot during sale or something. If you are getting buy one get one, you can pick it up. It helps in brightening the skin. They have Choco Coffee face mask, I think, that has clay in it, which is really beneficial for your skin. So the next few things that I am going to buy from the brand are Cappuccino body wash and Choco Coffee face mask, if anything like that exists. All the links of the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. And it does not have any exfoliating fragrance. Dogs, please stop barking. The fragrance with salicylic acid or with